Let me show you in this quick tutorial how you can create a partition in your disk inside of Windows, and this tutorial is going to work for both Windows 10 and 11. Let's begin. Now you can see I have two different drives right here, my local disk C and one SSD pool that I have on the PC. But if you only have your local disk C or you want to make it into a different drive, it doesn't matter, it's going to work the same. To start, you want to right click into the start button and you want to open the disk management. In here you're going to find the disk that you have connected in your PC, and the C drive, when you install Windows, is going to create two small partitions. This one, the healthy EFI system partition, and the recovery partition. I recommend you guys that you don't touch any of them. It's really important that you leave them as they are. So you can create your partition in your C drive, or if you want into a secondary drive, you can select it right here. The first thing that we need to do is to shrink that volume or that disk. And to do that, select the disk that you want, right click into it, and go into shrink volume. And here you want to enter the amount of space to shrink in megabytes. If you don't know how many megabytes are in a gigabyte, there is around 1000. So you can calculate how much you want. For the moment, for this tutorial, I'm going to leave it as default as it showed me right here. And if you want to calculate it better, you can go into Google and search for gigabyte to megabyte. And right here, you're going to have the calculator where you can change it. Once you have selected the size that you want to click into shrink. And as you can see, this has partitioned our drive. This part right here, the new partition that is created, right now is unallocated, and if you open your file explorer, you are not going to be able to see it right here. So you want to create a new volume into it. So right click and select new simple volume. Click into next. Right here is going to ask you for the size. Select the maximum that you can do. Click into next. And to assign the following drive letter, you can change it right here if you want. Click into next. And I recommend you guys that you leave it here as it is. Now you can change the volume label right here. This is like the title of the drive if you want, and to perform a quick format. Click into next. And now into finish. Now this is going to create the partition and format the drive. As you can see, it's already done. And once you go into your file explorer and you refresh it, you're going to see the new volume right here that we just created. And what happens if you want to remove this volume? Well, you want to right click into the new volume that you created as well into the disk manager, and you want to select into delete volume. Click into yes. Now this again unallocated. What happens if you want to join it once more into the C? You want to right click into the part that you already have allocated, and you want to select extend volume. Welcome to the extend volume wizard. Click into next. Now you're going to be adding all the space that we take out before. Click into next and click into finish. And now it's completely as it was before, only one partition for your disk C. And that is it for this tutorial, guys. If you enjoy it, please drop a like into the video. This will really help the channel out, and subscribe to the channel because it's free, and I always try to help you guys out with some reviews and tech tutorials and everything else that I do on the channel. Thanks for watching, my friends, and like always, see you guys on the next time. Bye bye. Leave a comment if the video was helpful.